of my building maintenance. Let's fix the gutter. Gutter is no longer hanging. What needs to happen is I need to take this piece off right here, take that end cap, move it over to here, and drop this down. As it is, all the water is just, look, to the bottom of the gutter. Alright, follow it. Alright, then it gets lower and lower and lower below the soffit. It's right here, that's why it broke. And the wood is rotted. Here, I'll get up here and I'll take a picture of that for you too. There you go. So they do some replacing there. And to that split, where it's split right there, is about 13 foot. So shit, about 20, 25 feet. Get me to the metal that way. I'll just say 30 foot, and then that's it. Closer. And then I don't know, he might do the gutter himself down there, I don't know. Whatever I do, I can't fuck this shit up. That's for sure. But that needs to go down. In the middle, it needs to come up, like right in the middle of the building. It needs to come up and then fall to both corners. Unless you got a drain in the middle, and it's obvious there's not. So, you drop this end down, drop that end down, bring the middle up, run a string line through here, and be done with it. Put some new fascia on there and screw that shit on there. So you screw it there. And this here just holds it outside. It's up against that damn fascia, you're good to go. There you go.